Spring Boot. How to hide passwords in Properties File Introduction. In Spring Boot applications, sensitive information is often stored in application.properties, application.yaml. Examples include database passwords, API keys, secret tokens, OAuth credentials. Hard coding passwords directly in these files is not secure, especially when pushing code to GitHub, sharing projects, deploying to production. Spring Boot provides multiple ways to hide or secure passwords properly. What does hide passwords mean? It means preventing sensitive values from being visible in source code, exposed in version control, leaked in logs. In simple terms, password not stored in plain text means securely injected at runtime. Example concept. Config file means placeholder, means actual value loaded securely. Why this is important. If you store passwords directly, spring.datasource.password mysecret123. Problems. Visible in Git security risk, easy to leak. Better approach. Secure storage means runtime injection. Example concept. No hard-coded secrets means safer application. Method 1. Use environment variables. Recommended. Instead of hard coding, application.properties, Spring data source password equals db password. Set environment variable export db password mysecret123. Or on Windows, set db password mysecret123. Example concept. Env variable means injected into Spring Boot, means password hidden. Method 2. Use .env file. Local development. Create a .env file. db password equals mysecret123. Then use Spring data source password equals db password. Do not commit .env file to Git. Example concept. Local file means ignored by Git, means secure for dev. Method 3. Use external configuration file. Stores secrets outside the project. Example java-jar app.jar spring datasource.password mysecret123. Or spring.config additional location file/secure config./ Example concept. External config means not inside project, means safer. Method 4. Use Spring Boot profiles. Separate config for environments. Application dev.yaml, Spring, data source password, dev password. Application prod.yaml, Spring, data source password, $db password. Example concept. Dev means simple config. Prod means secure config. Method 5. Use Spring Cloud Config, advanced. Store configuration in a central server. Features. Encrypted properties, centralized management, dynamic refresh. Example concept. Config server means encrypted values, means app fetches securely. Method 6. Use encryption libraries. You can encrypt values in config files. Popular approach. JSIP, Java Simplified Encryption. Example spring.datasource.password, ENC encrypted value here. Example concept. Encrypted value means decrypted at runtime. Method 7. Use OS Secret Manager/Cloud Secrets. Use tools like AWS Secrets Manager, Azure Key Vault, Google Secret Manager. Example concept. Secret Manager means app fetches password securely. Method 8. Use Docker/Kubernetes secrets. Docker run -e db password mysecret123 app. Kubernetes env. Name db password, value from secret key ref. Name db secret, key password. Example concept. Container secrets means injected at runtime. Method 9. Mask passwords in logs. Prevent password exposure in logs. Application.properties, loginlevel.org.springframework equals info. Avoid logging sensitive values. Example concept. No logging of secrets means safer debugging. Real-world example, application.yml. Spring data source. URL, JDBC, MySQL, localhost, 3306, MyDB. Username, root. Password, db password. Environment export, DB password, super secret. Result? App starts means password injected, means not visible in code. Example concept. Secure config means safe deployment. Common mistakes. 1. Hard-coding passwords, password equals 123456. No. 2. Committing secrets to Git. Very dangerous. 3. Logging passwords, print password. XMX. 4. Using same password everywhere. Bad practice. 5. Not using environment separation best practices. Best practices include: use environment variables for secrets, never commit passwords to Git, use .gitignore for local files, use secret managers in production, encrypt sensitive data when needed, separate dev, test, prod configs. Example concept. Secrets outside code means secure application advantages. Advantages include: improved security, safer deployments, compliance with best practices, reduced risk of leaks, flexible configuration. Challenges include: managing multiple environments, handling secret rotation, setting up secret managers, debugging missing variables. Concepts learned. By learning this topic, you understand. Check. Why passwords should not be hard-coded. Check. How to use environment variables. Check. How Spring Boot resolves placeholders. Check. How to use external configs and secrets. Check. How to secure applications properly. Simple definition. Hiding passwords in Spring Boot. The practice of storing sensitive data outside the application code and injecting it securely at runtime. Final summary. To hide passwords in Spring Boot, avoid hard-coding values in application.properties. The best approach is Spring data source password equals DB password, and set the value using environment variables or secret managers. Other options include external config files, encrypted values, cloud secret services, Docker, Kubernetes secrets. The key idea: never store secrets in code, means always inject securely.